I guess so. We're getting a video on my carrier today. It's a little cold out and it's not raining today. Sorry, it's orange. It's got a Copeland squirrel. You might see that model number down there, guys. It's a model number. It's a model number. Yeah, it's a 3.5 ton. 3.5 ton. 3.5 ton. It's got the breaker box and stuff, the line sense and stuff, which my sister's over there filming a video too. Over there by the air.
I think.
It's the BUA. It's the BUA. You see that blade over there? You see that one sticking out right there, guys? Yeah. I should just see the line since it's cold, but not wet. Yeah.
Water bottle you want, babe?
The door temperature,
Carmelli?
the air conditioner, comfort maker, that comfort maker's over there, and they still have their 10 up, which is not, just, a little, yeah, but we're creating our own air conditioner, guys. You have the parts inside my dad's shed, and my shed right here. I know I filmed a video of my Jeeps. Okay, guys. Bad news. My fan broke on it. I used to have another white one, but it broke too. There's an airplane up there somewhere. Yeah, my Jeeps. I added a new rake attachment to cut the grass. So, great things about it. It smells a little weird in my shed. Smells a little weird in my shed.
The one that's very boring. Yeah, very boring. Those are so annoying.
Yeah. Oh, and I forgot. It does have a stick on its
Annoying
lid.
sports.
This is RRN. And it's got a Zentrek fan motor right there. Yep, that is a Copeland squirrel, and it's got a model number on its compressor in the back.
This is fun.
Alright guys, this video is going to end in 3 minutes. Sorry, it's got